let's review this new Aristorm S-shape machine. So here it is, straight out of the box, guys. This one is a beauty. As I'm taking it apart, I see we have the things for the side. This is one of the vacuum probes that it comes with. The other probe it has is the cavitation probe, which has the radio frequency attached, as do most S-shape machines. They have both. And then we have the laser pads. These are really cool, and they do come with 6 of them. This is all 6 of them from the package. Now we're going to go ahead and get into installation. Installation is pretty simple. So we're going to put this here on the side. It comes with the tool that you will need, and it comes with the screws. So as you can see, we're just using the L-shaped tool to screw in this apparatus, whatever you want to call it, to the side. This is where the laser pads are going to go when installation is finished. So on the other side, you'll see that there are already some screws that are installed. We are just going to use the L-shaped apparatus tool, and we are going to loosen them up enough so that we can get the screws out. This is where we are going to put on the 3 holders for the probes. So we're just taking the screws out just to put them back in with the holders on. And to put the actual holders on, it's pretty simple. Just put the screw through the hole and reattach them right back where they came from on the side. There will be 2 screws for each holder, and just like that, as you can see here, I'm just screwing it right back on in with the attachment attached. Next, we are going to put on this filter thing on the back. This actually has instructions right on the back. That little white tab underneath there tells you exactly how to put it, which position to put it in. Now I'm putting in the power cords, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in the probes. They are labeled. So this one right here, it says 80K, and then there's a 30K probe, and then there is a vacuum machine. What I'm doing right here is screwing it in. After you push the actual thing in the back, make sure you screw the metal thing. That's what's going to hold it in place. Here is the vacuum. That one's a little hard to put in. Make sure it is in firmly. Then all the laser lipo pads go on the bottom 6 ones, and just like the top, make sure you screw in the little metal things to the right. Righty tighty to make sure they're in firm. This is the machine completely set up. Let's go ahead and get on into what happens when you turn it on. So you do see they have auto and manual, 2 different modes. For auto, they have arm shaping, leg shaping, waist shaping. Each different one shows you basically a pre-made program, tells you how many minutes to do the cavitation, how many minutes to do the vacuum, how many minutes to do laser lipo. You can adjust it if you'd like, turn the cavitation up or down. You can adjust the times, or you can just work straight off of auto mode and the preset program. They have waist shaping, which is what I'm going to show you in this video. We're going to do a waist shaping session. This one is 40 minutes. As you can see, the time is 10 minutes for the beginning one. Let's go ahead and look back at manual just to see what manual has. Basically, that's where you can control each one of the probes on your own, make your own program. This is a Cavitation 30K and RF probe. You can turn the RF up and down, the cavi up and down. There's 2 different modes. nodes, and then you can adjust the time, and then there is the start button to go ahead and start your session. Going back, you see there are all of them that you can do. Again, for this session, we're doing waist shaping, so let's go ahead and get into the session. I am going to be using my Absonic conductive gel that I get from Amazon. This stuff that I'm spraying on is actually Derma Boost. I'll leave it linked down below as well. The Derma Boost just helps me get better results. It is a mineral spray, and adding minerals to your body sculpting session is top tier to help get good results. We're using that 30K probe, and we are doing the preset thing. So we are only doing this for 10 minutes. So I'm going to do 5 minutes on each side, circular motions just like this, slow and steady. The good thing about the S-shaped machine is we are doing cavitation and radio frequency at the same time. So just the 10 minutes on the belly with this 30K probe is actually really, really effective. Also, the 30K is much stronger than 40K and 80K. In general, it's the strongest of all of them. And then the radio frequency combined, it really just makes this 10 minutes worth every little minute. You don't need to really do cavitation radio frequency for 20 minutes on this machine, and that's something that can save you so much time if you are doing this in a business setting. This will cut your sessions in half. Next on the program, it had the vacuum. So as you can see with the vacuum, I'm going very, very slow and steady. You want to give it time to suck and release, suck and release, suck and release. That's going to go ahead and move all that fat into the lymph nodes that we just cavitated. So it's really important to go nice and slow and steady with this. You really want to move that fat, so don't speed that process up. For the automated mode, it had us doing this for 10 minutes, so we did this for 10 minutes as well. I just evenly did the whole belly, went straight across, up and down, moving the fat on into lymph nodes. Lastly, it's the laser pads. These laser pads are for 20 minutes. I'm going to show you guys how I have them placed. A bird's eye view. I have them turned on. This is where I've placed them all. These pads work really, really good, you guys. I know because I turned them up and my boyfriend was burning. I had to end up turning them down. But this is a very strong and powerful machine, you guys. So as you can see, this is where we are in a session. It tells us how much time we have left, what we've already completed. I really like the auto setting on this machine because it's really self-explanatory and it really helps. Lastly, I had my client do a sauna session after this. So the results I'm going to show you is for one session with a 20-minute sauna. Here are the results. Thanks for watching.